Hey everybody, Javin Vernakovich with All Points Designs. That's allpointdesign.ca. Today at 1 p.m., Rob Avis and I are going to be talking all about the hardest part that I think a lot of people find when it comes to design work, consulting work, installation work, the sale. So if you're interested in joining a short little webinar at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today, live on YouTube, and it'll be on the Verge Permaculture YouTube channel, check it out. If you are struggling with sales, if you don't have a smooth and clear sales process, if you're looking to make better sales, I think you'll get a lot out of this hour-long webinar. So again, that's today, 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on the Verge Permaculture channel. And if you're interested in regenerative business mentorship, if you're interested in leveling up your consulting, your installation, your design business, check out vergepermaculture.ca/RBM. Thanks so much. Have a great day.